What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of desserts for two. Whether it's a romantic date night or a treat for you and your bestie, I've got you covered. Get ready to satisfy your sweet tooth because we're about to whip up 5 amazing dessert recipes that are guaranteed to impress. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First up, a classic French dessert, pistachio and chocolate soufflé. This delightful treat combines the rich, velvety texture of chocolate with the nutty crunch of pistachios. Surprisingly easy and super impressive. Perfect for dinner parties or a special night in. We need 2 ounces of high-quality dark chocolate chopped into small pieces. The better the chocolate, the richer the flavor. Grab a 1/4 cup of shelled pistachios and give them a rough chop for some crunch. These will add a delightful texture to our soufflé. Separate 2 large eggs, ensuring no yolk gets in the whites. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect rise. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. A properly heated oven is key to a successful soufflé. Melt the chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over simmering water, then stir in the pistachios. This ensures the chocolate doesn't burn and the pistachios are evenly distributed. Whisk the egg yolks until pale yellow and stir into the chocolate mixture. This will create a smooth, creamy base. Beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form, then fold into the chocolate mixture. This step is essential for the soufflé's airy texture. Divide between 2 buttered and sugared ramekins. Bake for 15 minutes until puffed and golden. Watch them rise beautifully in the oven. Dust with powdered sugar and serve immediately. Delicious! Enjoy this elegant dessert while it's still warm and fluffy. Next, we're traveling to Italy, the land of rich culinary traditions and exquisite desserts. Today, we're making a creamy and dreamy panna cotta, a classic Italian dessert that melts in your mouth. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, which forms the rich base of this dessert. Add 1/2 cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect flavor. You'll also need 1/2 teaspoon of unflavored gelatin to give it that perfect, silky texture. Bloom the gelatin in 2 tablespoons of cold water for 5 minutes. This step is crucial for the right consistency. In a saucepan, combine the cream, milk, and sugar. Stir gently to mix all the ingredients well. Cook over medium heat until the sugar completely dissolves, creating a smooth mixture. Stir in the bloomed gelatin until it fully dissolves into the mixture, ensuring no lumps. Then add the vanilla extract for that aromatic touch. Divide the mixture evenly between 2 ramekins, making sure each one is filled to the top. Cover them with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours to set. To serve, run a knife around the edge of each ramekin and gently invert onto plates. Top with fresh berries or a drizzle of honey for a touch of sweetness. Pure Italian bliss. Ready for a warm and comforting dessert? Look no further. Try these cheesecake stuffed apples. They are the perfect blend of creamy cheesecake and tender baked apples. You'll need 2 medium-sized apples, cored but with a 1/2-inch base left. This will hold the delicious filling inside. Mix 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg yolk, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. This will be your creamy cheesecake filling. Make sure the mixture is smooth and well combined with no lumps. Fill the apples with the cheesecake mixture. Be generous. You want each bite to be full of flavor. Sprinkle with a mixture of a 1/4 cup chopped pecans and 1 tablespoon brown sugar. This adds a delightful crunch and sweetness. Make sure the pecans and brown sugar are evenly distributed on top of the apples. Place in a baking dish with 1/2 inch of water at the bottom. This helps the apples bake evenly and stay moist. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes until tender. The apples should be soft and the filling set. Serve warm with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. Pure comfort food heaven. Enjoy this delightful treat with family and friends. Let's make some banana pudding. It's a classic for a reason. Grab 2 ripe bananas, slice them into rounds and set aside. In a saucepan, whisk together 1 cup of milk, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until thickened. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of butter until smooth. Let cool slightly, then layer with bananas in 2 parfait glasses. Start with pudding, then bananas, more pudding, and finish with banana slices. Crumble vanilla wafers on top. Enjoy immediately or refrigerate for later. Last but not least, we're bringing the taste of the tropics with key lime mousse. You'll need half a cup of fresh key lime juice, half a cup of heavy cream, a quarter cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Beat the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. In a separate bowl, whisk together the key lime juice, sugar, and salt until the sugar dissolves. Gently fold the whipped cream into the key lime mixture. Divide between 2 glasses, cover, and chill for at least 2 hours. Top with whipped cream and lime zest before serving. And there you have it, folks. 5 delicious dessert recipes for 2, perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoyed this sweet adventure. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome recipes. Until next time, happy baking. See you in the next video.